Okay, so a little bit about architecture of high voltage battery modules. So this is a module from a BMW 225XE that's had an issue. But how is this actually wired up? What's the configuration? So this is a 16S1P module. These are 25 amp hour prismatic lithium cells. And these cells operate in the range of sort of roughly 3.5 to about 4.1 volts. So the easiest way to explain what on earth is going on here is with this line of batteries. Now let's say we were going to make a series battery pack, because these are all in series, they're just squidged all up together. So this is a series line of cells, okay? Lithium cells, prismatic, a bit like them, these are just bigger. So negative and positive is marked. If I'm going to link these all in series to make a high voltage battery pack, I need to link all them, have them all the same way round and link them all together. So I've got, let's say 4 volts, 8 volts, 12, 16, and link them all together till I get to 350-ish volts. Perfect. But you don't want them in a long line. You want to package them up like this to put them in the car. So what we've got in that module is effectively this, but what they've done is they've moved this, so they've kept this link together, but they've just moved that round, and then they've done the same with this one, sort of concertinaed it together, and then the same with this one. So you end up with this configuration, and then these are linked across here, and then across here, and then across here. So they're effectively in series. It's just that the circuit is wired like this, okay? And then you've got your 16 volts ish across here, okay? So that's effectively we've got them in a line, but the polarity is obviously reversed, but that's so that you can link them together with buzz bars across there, across here, across here, and then obviously you take your positive and negative off here. And that's exactly what we've got here. So we've got a terminal here, negative, I believe, which is connected to here. Nice big fat spade connector in there. And then there's one cell, and it's linked to the next cell, which is the other way around, because it's the other way around there, of course. And then this one's linked across and back, and it's just going up and back and up and back and up and back. And this is 16, and these are 25 amp hour. And I believe this is a 1 kilowatt hour off the top of my head, this module. I don't know if it's got a sticker on it. No. Nothing on the lid. Yeah, I believe it's 1 kilowatt hour. So, so then that's the high voltage connector. These little things are the voltage sensing. So this goes up to the BMS to monitor the voltage, because you have to closely monitor the voltage of lithium batteries. And then these little ones under the red go are the temperature monitors, so that it can just check that nothing too exciting is happening. So let's have a look at the voltages. So this is part of a high voltage battery, obviously, but I'm not using gloves or anything. I'm high voltage trained, but this is one module, so this is not actually high voltage. And if I can do my leads with one hand, which might be tricky, then we can find out the voltage. Oh, we had it then, yeah, so 59, just under 60 volts. Okay, so 60 volts for the module. So this is low voltage, so we're totally safe here. And then if we look at a module, so we've got about 3.7, and just to prove the polarity, so we got a negative 3.7, and if I just move along, we got 3.7, and if I move along again, negative 3.7. So just to prove that they are flipping around each way. So yeah, and they're just all welded together. Yeah, and there's 5 in the BMW pack, and obviously they're all linked together. So one module is literally linked to the next. So you've got a massive long string of 5 16S modules all linked together. All right, cheers.